Let me show you how to create this double exposure using Photoshop. Create your workspace with 1080 by 600 pixel. First thing I will do is to remove the background. Add a layer mask. Let me change the background color. So drag and drop the second image we'll be using, and here is it. Change the blending mode to either screen or lighting. Hold Alt and click on that to create an inverted mask. So move over to your brush tool. Make sure it is a soft round brush. Check the flow to 50% and make the foreground color black. And don't forget to add a layer mask. I'll make some necessary adjustments and necessary editing. Check the link in the description to get access to these resources.